The W200 Fi is an efficient cold milling machine designed for powerful milling operations. This versatile machine is capable of handling a wide range of applications, from surface coarse rehabilitation to full-depth pavement removal. Unlike some massive milling machines, the W200 Fi's strength lies in its adaptability. Whether you need to tackle surface repairs, complete pavement removal, or even perform fine milling tasks, this machine can handle it all. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your construction fleet. The W200 Fi isn't just powerful, it's intelligent. The Mill Assist system takes the complexity out of operation, allowing for automatic control of engine speed, milling drum, traction drive, and even material discharge. This translates to better performance, lower fuel consumption, and less wear on the machine, all while making the operator's job significantly easier. Let's not forget about the W200 Fi's crown jewel, the Level Pro Active Leveling System. This innovative technology ensures unmatched precision when milling the road surface. No more uneven results. The W200 Fi guarantees a smooth, consistent base for whatever comes next, be it a fresh layer of asphalt or another construction project. Forget having separate machines for grinding, grooving, and cutting rumble strips. The Rumble Hog conquers them all. It efficiently grinds away old markings, creates grooves for inlaid markings, and cuts rumble strips, those textured strips that alert drivers when they're straying from their lane. This versatility saves companies time, money, and resources. The Rumble Hog tackles tough jobs with ease thanks to its industrial-grade construction. The key lies in its 1-inch diamond-tipped teeth. These bad boys are incredibly durable and wear-resistant, allowing the Rumble Hog to chew through asphalt and markings with exceptional efficiency. Don't be fooled by the Rumble Hog's rugged exterior. It boasts some serious brains, too. The standard computer-controlled profiling package gives operators ultimate control. They can program intricate cutting patterns, including sinusoidal and plunge cuts for rumble strips, and even create customized recessed marker profiles. Its rear-mounted cutting drum can be shifted from side to side with a simple joystick, allowing operators to precisely target center or edge lines without having to reposition the entire truck. Plus, the handy bumper extension adds an extra 12 inches of reach on either side, ensuring every inch of the road gets the attention it deserves. Forget everything you thought you knew about snowblowers. The Overassen TV 1000 isn't your average winter warrior. It's a revolutionary machine designed to conquer even the most epic airport snowfalls. It boasts a revolutionary feature that sets it apart from any other snowblower: the flying cab. This ingenious design allows the driver to position themselves at the front or the back of the blower chute, depending on the task at hand. Whether they're loading snow, clearing a path, or casting it off to the side, the operator has an unobstructed view, ensuring maximum efficiency and safety during snow removal operations. The driver's cab is cleverly isolated from the blower head, thanks to a hydraulic chassis suspension. This innovative design significantly reduces shaking and vibrations, allowing the driver to focus on the job at hand without getting jostled around. The TV 1000 isn't just about comfort, it's a powerhouse. Packing 2 diesel engines, this beast delivers incredible performance. The TV 1000 option boasts a total of 1,000 horsepower from Volvo Penta engines, while the TV 1000 Plus ups the ante with strong MTU diesel engines. This translates to a jaw-dropping clearing capacity of over 7,500 tons of snow per hour, which it can then fling a staggering 45 meters away. The P6870D ABG is a highly versatile and compact paver manufactured by Volvo Construction Equipment. It's designed to offer excellent performance across a wide range of paving applications. It's a marvel of engineering that combines impressive muscle with surprising maneuverability, making it a versatile champion on any paving project. Under the hood lies a Volvo D6J engine, a powerhouse that pumps out 172.9 horsepower. This translates to outstanding paving performance, allowing the P6870D ABG to tackle a wide range of applications, from small housing developments to major highway projects. This is thanks to a unique steering system that delivers an incredibly tight inner turning radius of just 2.5 meters. This allows the paver to navigate narrow streets, round sharp corners, and work in confined spaces with impressive ease. No more struggling to fit a bulky machine into tricky situations. The P6870D ABG conquers them all. Volvo prioritizes operator comfort with its next-generation electronic paver management system, putting fingertip control over all paving functions and a comfortable, user-friendly environment. Combined with the machine's 360-degree visibility, operators have a clear view of their surroundings and can make precise adjustments on the fly, making long paving jobs a breeze. The Rumble Pro is an advanced machine designed specifically for creating rumble strips on roads. It can handle both continuous cuts, ideal for creating consistent rumble strips across long stretches of road, and patterned cuts. This allows for creating specific textures, like those used for crosswalks or bike lanes, that enhance road safety and driver awareness. It's designed to streamline the road texturing process with its intuitive controls and user-friendly design. This allows a single operator to efficiently manage all aspects of the machine, reducing labor costs and keeping projects moving forward smoothly. Additionally, the MRL Rumble Pro is renowned for its durability. For decades, this machine has been a mainstay on construction sites, consistently delivering reliable performance. MRL's commitment to quality materials and robust engineering ensures the Rumble Pro can withstand the demands of continuous use, minimizing downtime and maintenance needs. Finally, the Rumble Pro comes equipped with everything it needs to get the job done. The Peterbilt Model 337 chassis provides a solid foundation, while the MRL-designed flatbed offers ample storage space for tools and materials. The belt-driven mill drum, powered by a variable RPM auxiliary drive system, allows for precise control over cutting depth and ensures smooth operation. Additionally, the chassis-mounted air compressor and power washer are convenient tools for keeping the work area clean and the machine functioning optimally. And there you have it, 5 amazing road construction machines that are transforming the industry. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.